So me and my son, we're going to be looking at his Power Wheels. We only got a one-wheel peeler, so it barely goes. So we're going to get it up, get one of the motors off, and see what we're working with. Let's go.
Do it right here?
Yep. Other way. Oh, I guess that's right. I guess I don't know. I guess you know more than I do.
Right here?
Yep, with the other one on the other side.
Okay. Now I need to take this, like the doors off or something.
Seat.
Huh?
That's the seat.
I'm just gonna take
There's one in the back, yeah.
Huh?
There's one in the back. See it?
Oh, here.
Okay. Where's that screw? I don't want to lose it. Hey, where's the other screw at, buddy? Get that screw down there so we don't lose them.
Here.
Okay. Let's get that one.
Nope, more.
Nope, it's out of there. Yeah.
Now can I take
Yep,
it?
now you can take the seat off.
Let's see what the problem is.
Let's look in there and see what the problem is.
Like the turbo probably not working. Probably the engine.
Here, let's take a look.
With the turbo. Yeah, I think that's like that. We need to take the like them off. Or we can screw them off.
Okay.
We need to take my steering wheel off.
May have to take the wheels off.
But
So,
I need to take my
go ahead and see them screws down there. You can take them ones out, you know.
help me.
You can get it. Keep going. You almost got it.
Dang it. Craps. I cracked my cracky.
Crack your cracky.
Now what the other one is?
Right here.
How do it? We need to take all the parts out. Okay.
Do it with the screw.
Yeah, that would do it. I can't reach it. My thing is all painted, but it's not working.
So we got 23.2 motor. Let's take a look in our drawers. See if we have it. What's going on with it?
What's going on to the motor?
Yeah, what's wrong with the motor?
What's wrong with the motor?
I'm asking you, is it any good?
No.
Is it broke?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell the TikTok?
It's broken. It's broken. Like and subscribe.
You heard the kid to like and subscribe. We are 101 away from 1K followers. So we'll see you in a bit, you crock of shit.